So today we're going to talk about HeyGen versus Hedra. Two AI video generators that can turn plain text into lifelike talking avatars. But which one actually feels real? I tested both and the results were surprising. On paper, they sound almost identical, realistic avatars, simple text input, and fast rendering. But once I ran the script, one looked like a clean corporate host and the other almost like a real human actor reacting naturally on camera. So here's what actually sets them apart. HeyGen gives you smoother presets, polished avatar movements, and the corporate-ready quality, perfect for training, marketing, or business content. You can choose from 300 video templates, over 175 languages, and even clone your own voice, tweak your tone or emotion. Plus, it's cloud-based, meaning your whole team can edit together in real time. Hedra, on the other hand, is built for realism. Its avatars have more expressive facial details, organic motion, and better emotional expression, giving it that almost human-like feel. When it comes to lip sync and voice quality, HeyGen clearly wins. It's more accurate, expressive, and handles multiple languages flawlessly. But for emotional realism, Hedra takes the edge, especially if you're going for cinematic or storytelling style videos. So if you want something polished and professional, go with HeyGen. If you want something emotional and realistic, try Hedra. Next, I'll show you how I used both together to make one ultra realistic AI avatar video. Check that out on the next one.